Mesophyll tissue and the tissue present between the upper and lower epidermis are called mesophyll tissue. This consists of two types, that is palisade and spongy parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma, the cell are elongated and perpendicular to the upper epidermis, and chloroplast is present in this cell. That means it is capable to perform the photosynthesis, and whose green plant or the green leaves, a green structure, we have chloroplast. They perform the photosynthesis activity and form the food for the plant, glucose or starch. And these cells are two layered and actively participate in photosynthesis. Spongy parenchyma, and it is present below the palisade parenchyma, and these cells are spherical, oval and irregular arrangement, and they have the chloroplast and intercellular space are present. Vascular bundle are along the vein, and the leaf contain vascular bundle. They have the two elements, that is first is xylem and second is phloem. Xylem, which is responsible for the conduction of water and minerals, and phloem for the conduction of food, which is formed by photosynthesis by green part of plant. In this section of video, we are clear that first is epidermis. This is palisade parenchyma, and mesophyll cell, that is spongy parenchyma, and this is phloem. And upper part is xylem, and lower is epidermis, and this bit is stomata. It is the section of a leaf. Opening and closing of stomata, is the guard cell which cover the subsidiary cell opening, and when it is rigid it open, and flaccid it close. Photosynthesis, photo, that means light, and is the energy transmission process in which solar energy converted into chemical energy. So in photosynthesis, the solar energy is converted in chemical energy. Photosynthesis means synthesis of food with the help of light, in a process in which a plant use sunlight and chlorophyll to synthesize food by utilization of carbon dioxide and water, is known as photosynthetic reaction. And the overall chemical reaction of photosynthesis can be written as 6 molecule of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecule of water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They form glucose molecule, maintenance carbohydrate C6H12O6, and 6 water molecule. Site of photosynthesis, that means where the photosynthesis performed. Most of the photosynthesis occur in the leaves, but plants which have green, that means have chloroplast performing the ability of photosynthesis reaction, but a small amount of photosynthesis may also occur in a green stem and twigs. Internally, leaf contain various type of tissue. In these tissue, mesophyll tissue are very important, and most of the photosynthesis occur in this tissue. And the leaf bears stomata. Previous diagram we have to see, and which are tiny pores, and carbon dioxide and oxygen gases are exchanged from this pore, and which is needed for the photosynthesis enter the leaf through this process. This diagram, it is clear that water are supplied from xylem, and carbon dioxide absorbed through spore and sun direct light, and their photosynthesis are performed, and food is formed in the leaf. And the actual site of photosynthesis is a specialized cell organ, chloroplast. And because all type of photosynthetic pigment including chlorophyll are present inside the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a type of plastid which is found only in the plant, and the amount of chlorophyll is very high in the leaf cell especially in mesophyll cells. Chloroplast and its structure. In this diagram, clear that the each section which is known as thylakoid, and thylakoid arranged in granum, and the whole structure is called, and this is the stoma of granum. And chloroplast are ovoid structure with a double layer envelope, and the inner membrane enclose a large cavity filled the gel-like fluid. This is called stroma, which consists enzyme for the photosynthesis, and there are the many piles or stack of flattened disc in this cavity of chloroplast, and these piles are called grana or singular granum. A granum consists of many flattened discs called thylakoid, and the grana are inner connected by means of intercellular junction or FREST. Chlorophyll molecule are present in the membrane of thylakoid. That means main site in leaf for performing the photosynthetic reaction is chloroplast.